The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 is now finally official. This time it's a relatively minor upgrade over the Galaxy Z Flip 5 with several notable improvements that Samsung has prepared for us. We have an upgraded main camera that jumps to 50 megapixel from 12 megapixel on its predecessor, a new chip optimized for Galaxy AI, refined hinge with less visible crease, and a slightly bigger battery. Apart from that, in terms of displays, looks and overall feel, we have little differences from the Flip 5. As for the price, the rumors have turned out to be true and we have a $100 price increase in the United States. So now for the US, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 12GB RAM to 56GB variant costs $1,099. The European price doesn't change and remains at 100 and 199 euro. The Galaxy Z Flip 6's camera is where we get one notable upgrade. The Flip 5's main camera sports a 12 megapixel resolution, which is not ideal for a phone in its price range. However, this time Samsung has fixed this by including a new 50 megapixel main camera on the Flip 6. The camera features an f1.8 aperture. Apart from the upgraded main sensor, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 sports the same ultra-wide with 12 megapixel resolution to complete its dual camera setup. On the front of the phone, we have a 10 megapixel front-facing selfie camera. Foldables aren't historically famous for their photography prowess, but the 50 megapixel main camera is a welcome improvement to the Flip and may turn how we look at foldables and their cameras. Of course, Galaxy AI is available on the Flip 6. The generative AI experience has a couple of camera-centric features, including generative edit and edit suggestions. Although the Galaxy Z Flip 6 doesn't offer as many upgrades in comparison to its predecessor as many would like, it still isn't just an iteration. With a better camera, bigger battery, and an improved hinge and almost unnoticeable crease, the Flip 6 is the best Samsung clamshell foldable right now, so you won't be wrong if you decide to go for it. It performs reliably in terms of raw power and battery and has overall better camera performance than rivals such as the Motorola Razr Plus 2024. The Flip 6 is also a very good looking phone, and with the latest refinements of the design, flat edges, gorgeous colors, durable feel, it's a serious phone that shouldn't be taken as just a necessary. Now with 12 gigs of RAM and fast and furious Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, it's a great performer and a serious contender for the best foldable phone of 2024. All in all, I'd recommend it anyone who would love to get a Samsung clamshell foldable in 2024. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.